The Orioles are on the road facing Matt Shoemaker and the Angels. Top three, Ryan Flaherty, it's a comebacker. It goes off Shoemaker, and the battery mate, Jet Bandy, plays the carom into a 1-2-3 putout. Bottom six, still a scoreless game. Kevin Gausman will strike out Mike Trout, and Johnny Giavotella in the frame, 6 Ks in all for Gausman. Bottom seven, though, the Angels break through with Yunel Escobar's RBI single into right center field. It's 1-0. Same score in the ninth inning. The birthday boy, Matt Wieters, turning 30 years old on Saturday. And with 2 on and 2 down, Wieters belts a go-ahead 3-run shot off Joe Smith, 3-1 Baltimore. Bottom nine, Escobar's up with a man aboard, and he takes a low third strike call against Zach Britton. Escobar does not like it. He goes nuts, and he's thrown out of the game. Later in the inning, Mike Trout will ground out to end it, and the Orioles win on the road 3-1. The O's pick up their 10th comeback win of the year. Matt Shoemaker K's a career-high 12 in a no decision, and the O's go for the sweep on Sunday behind Ubaldo Jimenez, while the Angels will counter with Jared Weaver.